Hi children, welcome to grade 4 science. Till now we are discussing about the chapter 6, that is air, right? So what is air? It is present around us. Okay, we need air for breathing purpose. Air is very helpful to us in all purposes, right? So what is the composition of air? It contains 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, and remaining 1% will be held up with carbon dioxide, water vapor and other dust particles, right? So what are the properties of air? It occupies space, it has weight, it exerts pressure, it exerts force, and it takes the shape of any object it fills. So what is the uses of air? So it is used for breathing in both animals and humans. It is used for photosynthesis in plants. It is needed for burning, and it is helpful in producing the energy, that is wind energy is converted into electrical energy, and it is helpful in communication process. It is used in adventure sports, and it is used to inflate objects such as to inflate cycle wheel. These are the uses of air we had discussed, and under the last topic is air pollution, right? So what is air pollution? The dust particles getting mixed with the air tends to be air pollution. So what are the sources of air pollution? Vehicles burn fuel and release smoke, and this contaminate the air. And also industries emit smoke that also pollute the air, and bursting the firecrackers. While bursting the firecrackers, it emits nitrogen gas, which will contaminate the air. That is, it is polluted the air. So these are the ways in which the air gets polluted. So what are the effects of air pollution? Due to polluted air, by inhaling that polluted air, we may subject to some harmful diseases. Since the air contains poisonous substance, the people need only pure air. If we inhale the impure air, it may lead to some harmful diseases such as cancer, tuberculosis, etc. Right? So we must keep our air very clean. Okay, and also this air pollution led to acid rain. Since the acid present in the air get mixed with the water present in the clouds, and this leads to acid rain in some other places, right? So how we can control this air pollution? We can use public transport for traveling, then planting more and more trees, and we should avoid burning of toxic material and bursting firecrackers, and we should use other sources of energy such as solar and wind energy. In such a way we can able to reduce the air pollution, reduce or control the air pollution. So these are the topics we had discussed under the chapter 6, children. So today's homework, you have to complete the application and creative part in your workbook, and upload your work in the Google Classroom app without fail. And for the next session, just prepare for the assessment in chapter 6. I'll send you the assessment questions in Google Forms. After finishing off your classes in tomorrow's session, the link will be sent to you through WhatsApp. That is, the Google Form link will be sent to you through WhatsApp. Just finish the questions and send it to me through mail without fail. So prepare for your assessment and also complete the creative and application part in your workbook. This is your work today. Okay, we can meet with still more interesting topic in next session. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Bye.